Hello everyone, this is Morshad from Computer C++ and Aroma Division. Today I'm here with a quick short video to give you an information regarding your operating system for your car. So how you can change your operating system without replacing the entire car head unit. The OEM version came with the car. So this question we actually receive few questions from our customers. They like to use the full Android operating system in their OEM car head unit without replacing that. So this is actually possible if your car head unit comes with USB ports, plus it does support the CarPlay or Android Auto, either one. Is if you have one of this option, definitely you can use Android operating system without replacing the car head unit. We actually not really encouraging user to replacing the OEM car head unit because let me show you what I'm talking about so that way you can understand better. Going to switch the camera. Okay, so this is not only for this model. This is actually Toyota Corolla 2020, but this method you can apply for any brand, any car brand, if does support the CarPlay or Android Auto. So there, this car has, for example, you can see the systems analysis or message report for maintenance or anything, which is normally is goes to your the original car head unit. So this head unit is actually manufacturer interface, right? So this is the original one, and this one has some features which is building to the car computer and is kind of allow you to change or modify or update your car system. So what we do normally, like we seen that a lot of user they're replacing the entire OEM head unit and putting a Android version head unit into this place. So that's actually not a good idea because you replacing the original head unit with a aftermarket one to just for using the Android operating system. Those type of OEM head unit normally they are not fully Android. They only support CarPlay. That means you have to plug a USB cable to your phone and plug to the computer to use the map and navigations and messages, call, that kind of stuff. But if you have CarPlay, you really don't need to plug into your phone all the time. You just buy something, a simple tool. Let me show you. It's called Carlin kit. If you buy something like this, and that kit does support the SD SIM card plus its SD card and SIM card plus it has a Wi-Fi building, operating system Android 13 OS. You just have to simply plug into your USB port, and then your car will automatically recognize to your home screen. If I go to the menu, and you can see all those options is actually building to the Android OEM head unit. So I can see the CarPlay here. If I unplug the Android Auto, I mean the USB Carlin kit, and you will see it's disappear. If I plugged in, and you will see it's going to appear. So means you really don't need to replace the head unit. You just buy simple this type of tool and convert your Android OEM car head unit to the Android full operating system, and then you can use any system. All right, as you can see is now booting to the Android, and that way is going to be convert fully operating system of Android. So now you can download any apps you like as your smartphone, you have the Play Store, and you have any other apps, whatever you like. You have pretty much you can do anything whatever you want, like your cell phone is fully Android now. The good thing is still you can go and back to your original OEM system functionality, plus you can go to the Android kit, and that way you can use. Even this auto kit will allow to mirroring with your cell phone wirelessly. You don't have to even plug a cable between your phone and the car. You just click on the auto kit and you will able to mirror the phone screen to the your car screen. Plus, as you can see, everything is there. Plus you have the Wi-Fi, so you can connect a hotspot from your cell phone, and you can use the Bluetooth. You can pretty much anything you want to do, like your Android operating system, you can do everything. And this operating system is 13. We have Android operating system 10, 11, 12, and 13 in stock. This how we actually doing changing the operating system for our customers when somebody like to change their operating system from the OEM to the Android, still keeping the same OEM head unit. Again, if your car comes with CarPlay and Android Auto, then you can use this type of tool, the USB tool, to change it without replacing the hardware of your original head unit. The plus, I want to show you one more thing. So I'm using a DVR camera record, which has a front camera, and plus it has the back camera. So the front camera and back camera, and even if you have a Android auto kit tool, Carlin kit, and you can this type of tool, the device also comes with the Android app. So if you just wirelessly connect them, even you can access to this from your Android kit. So that way, if you need to export any video or export anything or pictures, a screenshot, or monitoring anything, you can access from here. Even you don't have to touch it here. So again, there is a two different functionality, but they are syncing properly without any issue. So that's the one thing. And plus it's very user-friendly navigation, and I don't see I never seen any issues, and it's work great, and always is recommended to use a kit instead of replacing the entire head unit. This video only for this information. If you have any questions, feel free to ask comments below. I will try my best to respond as soon as possible. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.